The last time we did how to join text from different cells into one by using the Excel function concatenate, but this time we'll be joining two data from different cells using TextJoin. So that's what we'll be using. We're using TextJoin. It's also very straightforward. So we just say equals to TextJoin. You see, and then we'll specify the delimiter. What do we want to use to separate those texts? Is it comma? Is it space? So we'll specify it here. Let's say comma. So we'll put the comma. We are using space as our delimiter. That is what we want to use to separate it. So let's use space, not comma. Space. And then ignore empty cells in case if they are, so we ignore it, and that's true. Click on it, and then we specify the cells, which is these two cells that we want to join together. We want to join those ones together. Okay, so you can see this is it. So we can see, so also simple and straightforward. This time, this is how to join text from different cells using TextJoin. So you can see if here we indicate comma here, you see now it's separating it with comma. If we indicate, so whatever we want it to separate it, we just indicate it. Here we want space to be our delimiter, and that's it, space. So it makes our work so easy. And then that's all. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.